Pretty decent gas mileage. Going with all-wheel drive.
Nice. And then we have this small little vehicle, which is great for the single life. Good thing about the Civics is it has great gas mileage as well. It is a very cute little car that you can travel around in. It has great spacing as well, so you can still fit a small family in here. And then on top of that, it's very quiet, so you don't have to really worry about clunks and whatnot. This vehicle is very reliable. That's all I got. So we do have two beautiful vehicles here, a cute 2011 Honda Civic and then a Chevy Traverse, 2012 Chevy Traverse. Let me hear you guys' opinion on both of them and let's see which one wins this debate.